All right, it is currently August 15th, 2024. We are headed down to Madisonville, Texas. It's like halfway in between Houston and Dallas-Fort Worth. Anyways, our company, Urban Racing, does
in half a mile.
They have a road course, they have a skid pad, and place to do a car show. So we currently do all of our events at Texas Motor Speedway. And if any of you guys have been to an urban racing event or drift and drag event, you know how much fun they are. This venue is way cheaper, and we have the potential of doing monthly events, so we're really excited. So we're gonna get down there, get the drift cars out, do some promotion, and I wanted to make a video to take you guys along, kind of show y'all behind the scenes of what it takes. This isn't even hosting an event, this is the precursor of hosting an event, which is locking down the venue. So yeah, let's do it. Hey Zeus, did you get a kid's meal?
No.
Oh, that's kind of cool, actually. Look at that.
Hello Kitty, what's up?
You guys ready?
Yeah. Yes. Beyond ready.
This is the YouTube video.
Oh. You're definitely chasing me, so you have handbrakes so you don't smash my door.
We're on to sign waivers. Garrett said he would tan them with me.
Yeah.
Bad idea.
Great idea.
Bad idea.
Wonderful idea. We'll see how it goes, though.
I like the attitude. Warehouse. So they have like a, is it like a dealership? I don't know. I think it's like a museum.
Classic car, yeah.
Transformer statue.
Yeah, buy stuff inside.
This is cool, man. There's our friends. We're not that late, right? Y'all like it?
We just got here. Over there yet.
It's better than driving to Houston. This is Bray's Motor Museum Playground. All right, I'm gonna put the camera away so we go meet these guys real quick. Fancy. So clean. Bougie, huh?
Yeah, hi, welcome to the Urban Racing channel.
John, I know you're nervous at how expensive this is.
I'm glad I'm not paying for it.
To be fair, it's probably not that expensive.
It's nice though.
If you can see, there's a little bit of some wear and tear.
All right, so we have Steven here. He's showing us a tour. It looks like y'all have a lot of land out here.
Yeah, we've got 330 acres that we're going to develop.
Really?
Into
Wow.
more like a Disneyland for your kids.
Love it. You're speaking our language.
Yes.
Is it just this one lot that's 330?
Yes, sir. So we got it all the way from this fence row here, and if you look all the way to your left, you're going to see some tops of some shops.
Okay.
And it goes all the way to the industrial park.
Very cool. They got a house out here too. All aboard the tour wagon. All aboard.
But
This place is so cool.
Are just street legal cars.
Can y'all see back there very good?
All right, so next up is the skid pad, Greg's favorite part.
Oh yeah. I'm excited.
That's a great decent size. Do y'all do like, you have like a no burnout policy, or burnout's cool?
I know, burnouts is cool.
Burnouts is cool, yeah. You got the concrete for it. It's better on concrete than asphalt, that's for sure.
Right, and now this is polished, so it's not really abrasive to your tires. It's really easy on your tires.
Yeah, this is dope.
Yeah.
This is
Tire
dope.
saving for sure.
Yes.
This is perfect.
So I can take that Charger and I can drift out here for a month before I change my rear tires.
Really? That's a
And
test for me.
That's doing a 90-second burnout per session.
Yeah. We should have an instructor off. We'll get in Gabe's car, and we'll see who can do a perfect donut.
There you go. Let's do it.
I like it.
Yeah, let's try it in this van.
Dude, look how big their iPads are.
Yeah. How I am, the guy that she's with.
Okay, first impressions, this place is super dope. The only concern we have is the track is a little bit narrow, but we're about to take the drift cars out and actually test it, because I think we can still drift it. But this place is so cool though. So many cars, good vibes. It's basically a big automotive, it's basically a big gearhead playground is what it is. This is what you give the drift ride-alongs in.
Yes, sir. It's a 2017 Charger Hellcat, supercharged, and this is a Ridealongs experience only. And we have a drift pad that's 250 by 300 square foot.
Yes, sir. So no handbrake and no angle kit, but it
No
sends.
handbrake. This thing is bone stock.
Love it, and it does. It gets the job done.
Yes.
With lots of power. And you were saying you barely have to change out tires because the surface is so smooth, right?
Yeah, so the way we built that track, it's really slick. It's polished off to a real slick finish.
Right.
So it's real easy on the tires. I can usually get up to a month out of these tires, and that's probably drifting, going out on the drift pad probably about 15, 20 times a week.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah.
That's
And
awesome.
it's just a 90-second drift session is what we do.
Yeah, you're not sitting there roasting.
I'm not just,
Right.
yeah. So we kind of got it balanced out to where the tire's just not getting too hot and, start bubbling up. And
Makes
whatever.
sense. You let people ride in the back seat?
Oh, absolutely.
That's cool.
That's where the ride's at.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's one thing I know is people love to sit in the back of the Mustangs. It's different.
Yeah, it is.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull the Mustang off the trailer and give it a shot. See how easy or hard it is to drift this track. Obviously the skid pad is gonna be super easy to drift, but the road course track, whatever you wanna call it, the main track is a little bit narrow, but I'm optimistic about it. I think we'll be able to make it work and find some good sections at least. If we can at least find some sections that are, doable for drifting, that'll work too. Say hi. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, we missed filming the first lap. It definitely is narrow, but it is driftable. Part of our concern with this track is it does have little curves. I'll show you guys real quick, hold on. So it has these curves along the whole track, and it has these little gaps in between. And what we're worried about is whenever the tire goes up and over that curve, if it's gonna pop the tire or not, we don't know. So we're trying to figure that out right now. But as long as it doesn't pop it, it's actually pretty fun to go on that curve, I'm not gonna lie. Have you been in the car yet, Jesus?
No, this is the first time.
Jesus is ready. This thing's like choking me out there, hold on. All right, here's turn number 2. Let's give it a shot. How do you feel about the track, Gabe? So, it's not bad. Yes, it's narrow, but it's also driftable. I feel like whenever we start promoting this event, we should just tell the drivers that, hey, like, this is a narrow track, but it's 20 feet wide. Yeah. So be prepared. Like, it's gonna be narrow.
And those curbs are killer.
What's up?
Those curbs are freaking killer, man.
Killer in a bad way or a good way?
Oh, in a bad way. They're fun, but good. Like, if you get them just right, it kind of hugs it, and it's fine. But if you go up it just a little bit, man, it loops you every time. At least for me.
You hit a bunch of rocks everywhere, right?
Yeah, it was this guy. So I had to clean him up.
No, you're good. But like, this is kind of cool because we barely ever get to actually go to like test a venue before we have an actual event. So this is like a miniature event today. We're kind of seeing what's gonna like go wrong, and we're gonna need fire extinguishers and brooms.
Recon.
Yeah, we're gonna need a broom for sure.
And when I try to like push, like break into that corner, and it pulls me in way too far, and I'm going up over the curb.
So what are your thoughts, Jason?
I like it. I think it's going to take some logistics, but I think it's going to be good. There's a lot of this dead space that we can utilize for sure.
So like, as a driver that goes to events, like what would you expect to pay for something like this when it comes to like a ticket? What do you think? Can't charge TMS prices, obviously.
Yeah, that's a hard one because we also have to take into account the drive, but there's other events around that, the drive doesn't matter. 150 to 200 I think is feasible, depending, granted that I think that once we get the logistics and we have availability to the skid pad, stuff like that, it would make it. It's a great little place to start, I think.
Yeah,
the track is smooth. I mean, I'm hot lapping those tires, and we're good.
It's like brand new pavement.
I'm curious what that polished skid pad's gonna do.
Yeah, we gotta hit that.
I think it's gonna be slick.
Did you say this was polished too?
No. This is brush finish, broom finish.
Gotcha. Yeah,
But it's still better. Most parking lots don't do this.
Okay, we're gonna keep hitting some laps. My car is running like dog poop, really bad, but we're gonna get some more shots out here, and this is the fun part of the event planning. I mean, we're working technically, right?
Oh yeah, we're working hard.
Yeah, really hard.
We're fighting this wheel. Fighting this wheel, man.
All right, we lost our first tire. Oh yeah, that'll do it.
Not even debeated, like blew up.
I wonder if it was from hitting the curb.
Look at right here.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Oh no, that wasn't from hitting the curb. Okay, so yeah, we lost that from just sending it. So.
I don't know. Why did we not hear a pop though? That's weird.
Yeah, that was weird. No pop. First tire done today. I lost a tire.
Oh no.
I don't think it was from the curb. It's really low on tread. The cords are showing, so I think I just sent it.
Yeah, that's good though.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
The whole car is like shaking. John's like, do you have wheel hop?
Did you see my bush slam?
Oh
yeah, I
right
just
here?
took that out, man.
With the hay bale?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Is
nice,
my
yeah.
door okay?
Huh?
Is my door okay?
Yeah. You got it. Look, you have, hold on. You have a little hay in it though.
Hey.
What's that? Me and John are checking out a sketchy part of the track. There's Garrett. Hi, Garrett. Woo!
I think the line though, because you're gonna hit outer there, and if you hit an inner here, you're never gonna really put yourself in danger. So,
Yeah, it's just something to be like
we
conscious about.
put like a bunch of big cones right here, so people are super conscious of it. But
While we've been out here driving the buggy on the track, Jason and Garrett have been swinging it. They're just swinging it, hot lapping it back and forth. I think it's a good hot lap track too.
Yeah, great for tire wear, and it's flat out here, so you get plenty of breeze. So those are both nice features for sure.
Oh, look at this. Garrett took out this hay bale.
Oh, is that Garrett?
I think so. I think he hit it. Don't know why they have this here, but it's like a proximity zone, you know?
So conscious of shit. I don't know what we do there. Maybe just put some collars on or something. I can't keep up.
Why you watch it drinking 40s? I just told it. Still that same, in a foreign, but it's stolen. Ryan sporty, acting sport, I can't control it. I'm doing fraud, got that bag, I'm transport. He dropped the mixtape, thought I would've reposted. I ain't posting mixtape, cause I'm a shorty. I be booted to the morning, PM to the morning. My little Wody want a bag, he just wanna roll it. Hold up, don't you owe me? Yeah, you owe me.
I'm so glad Jason came out, bro.
Like I'm an island of adventure, how I stay rolling. Tryna diss me, I need you 6 feet. She said she miss me, she wanna kiss me. Damn, I'm so crispy. Zan got me dizzy. Trouble me, I ain't shy. I keep that glitzy.
Oh man, words cannot describe how excited I am for this venue. So right now we have a bunch of cars in tow and the Hellcat that Bray owns and does ride-alongs in. We're going to their skid pad and we're gonna do basically like a marketing run where we have me doing a burnout or Greg doing a burnout, donuts around the burnout car, and drones, cameras. We gotta get good footage because when you host an event, you have to promote it. That's what we're gonna do. It's so loud. I love it. Okay, so this is the skid pad. We got the drone up in the air. We are getting the boys ready. So the plan is Greg's doing a burnout for the video. Jason, hi Jason,
Hello.
is doing donuts around Greg doing the burnout. And then Steven here is gonna do something.
I don't know what I'm gonna do, man.
He wants to party.
I'm gonna fall in and follow Bray.
I love it.
All right.
I love it. It's got the Hellcat, the Mustang, and the G. Yeah.
Yep.
Nothing's gonna blow up.
The Trinity.
The Trinity.
The takeover Trinity.
There you go. So in my 8 years of doing YouTube, I still don't know how to do a proper outro. But with that said, this event is really big news for us. If any of y'all have been following Urban Racing, the event company that I've been building the last 5 years and not doing as much YouTube as a result, we've been doing a lot of awesome events. We've been bouncing around from different smaller venues and ultimately ended up at Texas Motor Speedway. But the problem is, for any of y'all live in Texas, y'all know who Texas Motor Speedway is. TMS is very, very expensive. It's a NASCAR track. It's like $40,000 for a one-day event. It is very hard to do that consistently and profitably, and it takes a lot of time, which is fine, just very difficult to do. So Bray's is much cheaper. They are, in a way, much nicer to us, which is great. And we're really excited because tracks across the country are shutting down, unfortunately. More and more people are taking to the streets, right? Because we're all car guys, we want to race. And ultimately, the best way to do it is on tracks and on skid pads, and that is getting harder and harder to do because tracks are closing nationwide. So Bray's looks to be an awesome venue. We had a great time. They've been open for a little while now, but the track is brand new. They just finished paving the track, I believe in January. So between the over, I think it's a 2-mile long road course, between that and the acre-wide skid pad, and of course the Auto Museum, I think we're gonna have an awesome event. So if you guys are interested in coming, it is going to be September 21st. So right now, as of editing this and posting it, it's September 8th. So a little bit under 2 weeks to go. And tickets are live right now. So if you guys go to the website, Urban Racing TX, we actually have a discount code y'all can use just from watching this video. Just put the code in Novice Garage for 20% off any ticket. If you wanna do the Freedom course, which is the big course, experienced people only, 20% off that. If you want to do the skid pad, 20% off that. In the morning of the skid pad, we have our Urban Drift School where you can actually learn. And in the afternoon session, we're going to open it up to pretty much anybody that wants to go out there and spin their car around and do donuts. So we're going to have spectators, vendors, music. I love doing these events. They're a huge passion of mine, and I think y'all love them too. So with that said, thank y'all for watching. I want to post more event content on this channel, so if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comment section below. But besides that, we will see y'all in about 2 weeks. Peace.